Everyone thinks the best-selling carry-on backpack is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, JanSport Laptop Backpack. Let's kick things off with the JanSport Laptop Backpack. Priced at $56.70, this backpack caught my eye because it's from a brand that's been trusted for over 50 years. If you want a reliable backpack for work and travel, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features a dedicated 15-inch laptop sleeve, so your tech is safe while you're on the move. The 2 spacious compartments help organize your gear, and the side water bottle pocket means hydration is always within reach. Ratings might be low because it's new, but over 3,000 people bought it in just the past month, which says a lot about its popularity and trustworthiness. Now, some people complained about the lack of additional pockets. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a straightforward design without too many extra compartments, this isn't a deal breaker. It keeps things simple and organized. This is perfect for you if you're a student or a professional who needs a dependable daily backpack. Skip this one if you need more organization or pockets for smaller items. You're getting solid value for a reputable brand. Now, if JanSport's lack of extra pockets bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its organization features.
Product number 2, TomTalk Travel Backpack 40L. The TomTalk Travel Backpack 40L, which retails for $79.99. I was impressed by its TSA-friendly design and the fact that it's made from recycled materials. If you're looking for a sustainable option that meets airline requirements, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a large main compartment that can fit up to a 17-inch laptop, plus a convenient front pocket for easy access to your essentials. The backpack opens like a suitcase, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Plus, it's lightweight and water-resistant, which is essential if you're traveling frequently. It's already garnered over 2,000 sales this month, hinting that many travelers are finding it useful. Now, some users mention that the zippers can be tricky at times. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with them, they actually hold up quite well. For people who travel often, this small issue is easily manageable and doesn't overshadow its overall quality. This is perfect for you if you prioritize sustainability and organization during travel. Skip this if you want a more traditional backpack style or don't mind carrying more weight. Its eco-friendly materials offer great value for those who care about the planet. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want packing versatility. Product number 3, LoveVook 40L Travel Backpack, which is priced at just $37.98. The standout feature for me is the inclusion of packing cubes, which many travelers swear by. If you want a well-organized travel experience without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This backpack is designed to fit under airline seats and in overhead bins, making it airline approved. The 3 compartments and multiple pockets help keep you organized, and you can fit 3 to 7 days worth of items inside. With 2,000 units sold this month, it's clearly resonating with many travelers. Now, some people pointed out that it might not be as durable as higher-priced options. Here's the thing though. For occasional travelers, this backpack offers an excellent balance of price and functionality, making it an ideal choice without a huge investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and organized travel solution. Skip this if you plan on heavy-duty travel or need something that can take a lot of wear and tear. You're definitely getting great value for your money. If LoveVook's price point and features caught your interest, the next one is also from them, but with some added benefits.
Product number 4, LoveVook Travel Backpack for Women. The next option is another from LoveVook, their travel backpack for women at the same price of $37.98. I was drawn to its stylish design and its many pockets. If you want a backpack that combines fashion and functionality, this could be your match. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This backpack boasts a 40-liter capacity and is packed with features like a TSA-friendly design for quick security checks. It even has a wet pocket for toiletries, so you don't have to worry about leaks ruining your clothes. It's perfect for both business trips and leisure, and with over 2,000 units sold this month, it's gaining traction among travelers. Now, some reviews mention that it can feel a bit bulky when fully packed. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who likes to carry everything you need, this added space could be a lifesaver. Just keep in mind that you might feel it a bit more on your back. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, organized backpack for various travel scenarios. Skip this if you prefer a more compact design. At this price point, it's a solid investment for both aesthetics and practicality. And for those looking for a slightly different take, the last option is yet another excellent choice from Lovebook.
Product number 5, Lovebook 40L Travel Backpack for men and women, priced at $32.39. I couldn't help but notice its versatility and how it's designed for both men and women. If you want a backpack that caters to everyone, you'll want to hear about this. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This backpack also fits the airline carry-on requirements. It's spacious enough for 3 to 5 day trips, with 5 main compartments and several pockets for organization. You can store everything from clothes to shoes, and even features 3 packing cubes for added convenience. It's been bought by over 1,000 people this month, which speaks volumes about its appeal. Now, some users reported that it may lack some luxury features. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a practical, budget-friendly option that still delivers on quality, this might be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you want a gender-neutral travel solution that's affordable. Skip this if you need high-end features or a designer brand. It's a fantastic value for anyone looking for functionality without the hefty price tag.
We've covered the JanSport laptop backpack for reliability, the TomTalk travel backpack for sustainability, the Lovebook 40L for affordability, the stylish Lovebook travel backpack for versatility, and the unisex Lovebook 40L for practicality. No matter your travel style, there's something here for everyone. Happy travels!